Good morning students. Welcome you all to this session. Today's class we are going to continue exercise 13.1. You can take page number 253 in your NCERT textbook. You can refer the questions from your textbook. Actually this exercise is nothing but we have to convert a number to an exponential form. Sometimes it will be given as exponential. We have to write it in number. That's all. So you can take page number 253 children. Okay. I hope you all have taken page number 253 children. From third problem we have to continue. Okay. Express each of the following numbers using exponential notation. We are going to write the given number as terms of exponential. Exponential means what? Something, some number, power, some number. Right, like that you should write it. Right. So first, the number is given. So how you will find their factors? You should do the prime factorization. Yes. First you should do the prime factorization, children. Okay. In 2 table, 2 2s are 4. Remainder 1. So 1 will become 11. Then 5 2s are 10. 11 will become, the 2 will become 12. Next 6 2s are 12. Then again comes in 2 table. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Remainder 1. 6 has become 16. 8 2s are 16. Then again in 2 table. 2 6 are 12. 2 4s are 8. Then in 2 table. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Then in 2 table. 2 1s are 2. Remainder 1 12. 2 6 are 12. Then 2 table. 8 2s are 16. 2 table. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. So how I will write this 512? I will write this 512 as 2 into 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 2. Okay, so how many 2s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I am going to write this. Okay, I have just written 512 as product of these numbers. So how many 2s are used here, children? 9 2s are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 2 power 9 is the exponential form for 512. Okay, what is the exponential form? 5 for the 512, 2 power 9. Okay, next, what is the second question? 342. Okay, next question is what, children? 342. Now, next what you should do? Again, you should do the prime factorization for 343. Sorry, 343. Okay. Now, check whether it comes in 2 table. No. Third table, 3 plus 7. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. No. It does not comes in 3 table. Fifth table, no. Next is 7th table. Yes, it comes in 7th table because see, if I divide it, 34, it comes in 7 4s are 28, correct? 7 4s are 28. Remainder 6. Upper 3 has become 63. 7 9s are 63. Okay. Next, again it comes in 7th table because 7 7s are 49. So 7 1s are 7. So how we will write 343? 343 can be written as 7 into 7 into 7. So 343 is nothing but 7 cube because how many 3s are used, children? 3 7s are used. Okay, how many 7s are used? 3 7s are used. So 7 cube is your answer. Okay. Next, third problem I am giving you as a homework. Okay. Next, I am going to give you the fourth problem. 3125. 3125 is your question. Third problem is your homework, children. 3125. I should do the prime factorization. First, you will start with fifth table because last digit is 5. Right? It comes in fifth table. 6 5s are 30, remainder 1. So 2 has become 12. 5 2s are 10, remainder 2. 5 has become 25. 5 5s are 25. Then fifth table, 5 1s are 5, remainder 1. 5 2s are 10, remainder 2. 5 5s are 25. Then again in fifth table, 5 2s are 10, remainder 2. 5 5s are 25. Then again in fifth table, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So 3125 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So how many 5s are there, children? 5 5s are there. So 5 power 5 is your answer. 3125 is nothing but 5 power 5. Understood? And your third problem is your homework, children, 729. Okay. Next is your fourth problem. In fourth problem, what we are going to discuss? We are going to discuss which is a greater. Okay, identify the greater number wherever possible in each of the following. Just find the greater number. Okay, we cannot directly find when they are in exponents. Yes, I already told you, right? So it is somewhat difficult. So what you should do now, we should convert the number to a normal number. Okay, so 4 cube can be converted, then 3 power 4 can be converted. 4 cube can be written as 4 into 4 into 4, right? 4 cube na 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 6 4s are 24, 4 1s are 4, 64. Answer is 64. Okay, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 6 4s are 24 and 64. So 4 cube answer is 64, children. Okay, next 3 power 4. So how you will write it? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Yes, because I am multiplying 3 4 times. Okay, 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 into 3. 7 3s are 21. 3 2s are 6. 7 8. So answer is 81. Okay, see, 4 cube answer is 64. 3 power 4 answer is 81. So which is greater? Obviously 3 power 4 is greater than 4 power 3. Okay, so by finding the answer itself, we can say that 4 cube is less than 3 power 4. Yes, 4 cube is less than 3 power 4. Next, so first what you should do in this question, find the product of this number and find the answer and just compare it. That's all. Next, second problem. 5 cube or 3 power 5. 5 cube or 3 power 5 is, okay, 5 cube. What is meant by 5 cube, children? 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 into 5, 125. Yes. Next, 3 power 5. So 3 power 5 is, 3 will be multiplied 5 times. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, 3 will be multiplied 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 into 3, 81. 81 into 3, 3 8 3s are 24. Answer is 243. Answer is what, children? 243. 81 into 3. 1 3s are 3. 8 3s are 24. So in this, which is greater, 243 or 125? 243. So obviously, therefore, 5 cube is less than 3 power 5. So 3 power 5 is greater. Okay, obviously we can say that 5 power 3 is less than 3 power 5. Next, what is your third problem? 2 power 8 or 8 square. 2 power 8 or 8 square. So how you will write this 2 power 8? 2 power 8 will be written as 2 into 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 2. which means I am multiplying this to 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 into 2, 64. Yes. 64. 64 into 2, 4 2s are 8, 6 2s are 12. 128 into 2, 8 2s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 5, 2 1s are 2. So answer is 256. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64, 64 2s are 128, 128 into 2, 256. Now 8 square is what? 8 into 8, 8 8s are 64. In this, which is greater? Obviously 2 power 8 is greater than 8 square. Therefore 2 power 8 is greater than 8 square. Okay. Next, what is your next problem? Next is your fourth problem. Yes. 100 square or 2 power 100. Okay. 100 square or 2 power 100. So how you will write this 100 square? 100 into 100. 100 into 100 is what? 1 0 0 0. 4 zeros will come. 100 square means 1 1 2 3 4. 4 zeros. So answer is 10,000. 2 power 100. Actually, first we can split this 2 power 100 as 2 power 10 into 2 power 10 into 2 power 10 into 2. I have written like this. Next, into 2 power 10 into 2 power 10 into 2 power 10 into 2 power 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, this 2 power 100 can be written like this. Okay, actually this method I will teach you in the next session, so it will be more clear. So 2 power 100 can be written as 2 power 10 into 2 power 10 into 2 power 10 into 2 power 10. 10 times you should write this 2 power 10. Okay, only then you will get 2 power 100. Okay, so actually what is the value of 2 power 10? Actually, what is the value of 2 power 8, children? Here you got 2 power 8 is 256, right? So 2 power 9 means 256 into 2, right? 6 2s are 12, 5 2s are 10, 11, 2 2s are 4, 5. Then 2 power 10 means into 2 again. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 1 2s are 2, 5 2s are 10. So 2 power 10 value is what? 1024. Okay, 2 power 10 value is what, children? 1024 into 1024 into 1024 into 1024 into 1024. 10 times you should write this 1024. Why? Because I told you 2 power 100 can be written as 2 power 10 into 2 power 10 into 2 power 10 times you should write it. So each 2 power 10 value is 1024, means for 10 times I should write it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so 10 times I have written 1024. So by seeing this itself, 10,000 is smaller. When you multiply these numbers, it will get bigger numbers. So obviously 10 square is less than 2 power 100. Okay, if you multiply this number, which will be larger than this number, so we can say that 10 square is less than 10 square is less than 2 power 100. Okay, next, what is the next question I'll do? What is the next question? Fifth is 2 power 10 or 10 square. 2 power 10 or 10 square. So first, what is the 2 power 10 value, children? 2 into 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 2. 10 times I should write 2. Right. Listen. Here 10 power 100 I wrote 2 power 10 times. For each 2 power 10, answer is 1024. So 1024 is written 10 times. So which is very larger. So this is greater. 10 square is lesser than 2 power 100. Now I have written 2 power 10. So 2 power 10 means 2 into 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 2. So 2 power 10 answer is what? 1024. Yes, the answer is 1024. Then 10 square answer is what? 10 into 10. 10 tens are 100. Okay. So in this 1024 is greater or 100 is greater? 1024. Therefore 2 power 10 is greater than 10 square. 2 power 10 is what? Greater than 10 square. See, listen children. Always when you compare two same numbers, 4 cube or 3 power 4, 3 and 4 is repeated. But the only thing is, if it is come here base, for the next question comes for power. 4 is coming for power, here 3 is coming for base. If this is the case, we can say that the number which is having larger power will be greater. So you can see here, 3 power 5 is greater, but 5 power 3 is lesser. Okay, here 8 square is lesser, 2 power 8 is greater. Okay, next here 2 power 100 because it is greater. I told you no, when two numbers, same numbers are there, here 102 is given, so that is just exchanged. So if this is the case, the number with larger power is greater. Here see, 2 and 10 is used. In this, 2 power 10 is greater because I told you if two numbers are there, number which have highest power is greater. Understood? Fifth problem. Express each of the following as product of powers of their prime factors. Okay. So first, the last problem, we have to write this number as product of powers of prime factors. Yes, the same type example problem we have already discussed. Right? That the same way you should do it. Okay. Now what we will do now? We should find the prime factorization of 648. Right? Because we want the prime factors. So first prime numbers, 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Next into table, 2 1s are 2, 2 has become 12, 6 2s are 12, 2 2s are 4. Again into table, 8 2s are 16, 2 1s are 2. Next, 81 will come in 2 table? No. So next it comes in third table. Yes. 3 2s are 6, remainder 2, 1 has become 21, 7 3s are 21. Next in third table, 3 9s are 27, again in 3 3s are 9, then 3 1s are 3. So what, how you will write it children? 648 will be written as, 648 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Yes, everything is a prime numbers. Yes. Now, how we will write it? 2 cube into 3 power 4 because 2 is multiplied 3 times. So, 2 cube into 3 is multiplied 4 times. So, 3 power 4. Understood? 405. The same way, first you should find the prime factorization of 405. Then you should write like this. Okay, just exponential form. 405, it comes in fifth table. 8 5s are 40, then 5 1s are 5. Then it comes in third table. 3 2s are 6. Up 8 minus 6, 2. 1 has become 21. 7 3s are 21. Again in third table, 9 3s are 27. Then 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So 405 can be written as 5 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Yes, 5 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So, how we will write it? 5 power 1 into 3 power 4. Why? Because 5 is written only one time. So, 5 power 1 into 3 power 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 3 power 4. Understood? Next, third problem is your homework children. So, you can do it. Fourth problem. Next problem. Fourth is 3600. So fourth problem is what? 3600. So I am just doing 3600 children. Comes in fifth table. 7 5s are 35. Remainder 1. Above 0 has become 10. 5 2s are 10. 0 you can write as such. Next, in fifth table, 5 1s are 5, remainder 2. 5 4s are 20, remainder 2. 5 4s are 20. Okay. Next, it comes in 2 table because it's an even number, right? 7 2s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Next, in 2 table, 3 2s are 6, remainder 1. So 2 has become 12. 6 2s are 12. Then in 2 table, 3 1s are 3. So 2 1s are 3. 2 1s are 2. Remainder 1. 8 2s are 16. Okay. Then 2. 9 times 2 9s are 18. Then it comes in third table. 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. So how we will write this 3600 as 5 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, so I have just written 3600 as product of prime numbers. Now we have to write the product of powers of prime numbers. So 5 is repeated how many times? 2 times. Above 5 square into 4 is 2 is repeated how many times? 2 power 4 because 4 times. 3 is repeated 2 times, so 3 square. 5 square into 2 power 4 into 3 square. So this is how first you should find the prime factorization of the question and you should write it. Then you should write it in powers. You should not stop till this. You should write the powers also. This is only the correct answer. Understood, children? Today's class we have discussed exercise 13.1 from third problem till fifth problem, and I have given few problems as homework. I hope you all understood, children. Thank you.